Want to create a professional CV in ChatGPT on Android? I will show you the process using fictional details, so you can replace them later. When ChatGPT opens, tap the Ask ChatGPT box. Start with the target role, then name the sections you need. Here I am asking for a profile, skills, experience, education, and placeholder contact details. Read the prompt once before sending it. Make sure the job title is clear, and avoid entering sensitive information while building the structure. Hide the keyboard for a cleaner view, then tap the blue send arrow. ChatGPT now builds the first CV as a writing card. Swipe through the draft slowly. At the top are the name and placeholder contact fields. Next comes a professional profile, followed by key skills. Continue down to professional experience and education. Check that every heading you need is present. The placeholders make missing details easy to find and replace. A useful CV should match the job, so do not stop at the first draft. Tap Reply to ChatGPT and request a targeted revision. I am tailoring this version for remote customer support with CRM, email, and problem-solving keywords. Tap Send again, and ChatGPT rewrites the CV for that role. The updated card now has a more focused customer support profile, including email support, CRM, and problem-solving. That confirms the tailoring worked. Swipe through the revised core skills and professional experience sections. Check every line carefully, replace the remaining placeholders, and proofread every claim before using the CV anywhere. To share the result, continue to the bottom and tap Share. The Share link sheet lets you copy a link or choose another Android app. Press Back to return safely. The full process is: enter a structured prompt, generate the writing card, review each section, request a job-specific revision, then share the draft. Replace every placeholder, verify dates and achievements, and never submit invented experience. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Android tutorials.